Every week, the EV world moves forward. Faster charging, longer range, new platforms, new headlines. But today, we're switching gears a bit to address 10 most common EV concerns. Hands up if you've seen one of these headlines screaming at you on YouTube, social media, the news, your group chats, or somewhere else. EV totaled from a tiny scratch. Insurance costs double. Your battery dies in 5 years and costs 20k to replace it. Your garage is gonna burn down. Yeah, I've seen them all too. And 90% of it is straight up early EV fear-mongering designed to keep you scared and stuck in a gas car. But today, we're cutting through all the noise. I'm answering the exact 10 most common EV questions and concerns that flood my inbox and comments every single week. No corporate spin, no cherry-picked data, just real studies, real numbers, and real-world data from hundreds of thousands of EVs on the road right now. Yes, some of these problems did exist in the very first EVs, but the industry has moved insanely fast. Today's 2026 EVs have fixed or dramatically improved almost every single one. Look, if you've been hesitant about buying an EV due to one of these concerns, here's the reality. The EV landscape has shifted dramatically. Those early hurdles weren't just rumors, they were real challenges. But as already said, the industry has moved at lightning speed. Most of those first-generation growing pains have been engineered away, resulting in a totally different breed of EVs today. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the massive leap between those early-stage EVs and the high-tech 2026 models hitting the road today, or you'll finally know exactly what to watch out for. Let's get the real answers one by one. Let's dive into here are the top 10 most common EV concerns we are covering in this video. 1. The total loss trap. 2. Why EV insurance is more expensive. 3. Instant torque crash fears. 4. The EV technician shortage. 5. The 20k battery replacement surprise. 6. Garage fire fear. 7. Buying a used EV gamble. 8. Tech obsolescence. 9. Battery degradation reality. 10. Range anxiety. If this sounds good and it's something you want to watch, stick around as we break down each concern and its reality together. Let's dive in. Top 10 EV concern number 1. The total loss trap. Concern you hit a pothole, scratch the cover, insurance totals the whole car. I've seen stories of 10k mile EVs written off. Reality, yes, this does happen, but it's not some evil conspiracy. Battery packs are still hard to repair or even properly diagnose after impact. If the repair costs new pack 12 to 18k on most cars, pushes the bill over 70-75% of the car's value, insurers total it. That's the rule for every car, not just EVs. The difference? Gas cars rarely need a 15k part from a fender bender. Top 10 EV concern number 2, EV insurance premium disparity. Concern, my quote for a Model Y is $800 more a year than my old Camry. Reality, average full coverage EV is currently 25 to 49% more than a similar gas car. Insurify 2025 data. Why? Higher repair costs plus higher vehicle values plus the total loss thing we just talked about. But the gap is shrinking every year as repair networks grow and data improves. Some states it's already only 15 to 20% higher. Shop around. Progressive, State Farm, and Tesla insurance are often the cheapest for EVs right now. Top 10 EV concern number 3, instant torque crash fears. Concern that 0 to 60 in 3 seconds is going to get me killed or get me in accidents. Reality, some studies show EVs have slightly higher at-fault claims, about 4% higher in one big European study. New drivers especially can be surprised by the torque, but overall, IHS and Euro NCAP give most EVs top safety ratings. Heavier weight plus lower center of gravity, less rollover risk. Regenerative braking actually reduces rear-end collisions in many cases. Bottom line, the car isn't the problem. The driver who mashes the pedal like it's a gas car is. Easy fix. Drive it for a week and you adapt. Top 10 EV concern number 4, the EV technician labor gap. Concern, nobody knows how to work on these things. Reality, yes, there's a real shortage. America needs 35,000 more EV-trained techs by 2028. Only about 3% of general mechanics are currently EV proficient. But nowadays, almost every major dealer network has dedicated EV techs. Independent shops are training fast, many free manufacturer programs. For warranty work, you're golden anyway. It's the same story every new technology goes through. Computers in the 90s, hybrids in the 2000s. We're catching up quick. Top 10 EV concern number 5, the 20K battery replacement surprise. Concern, one day my battery dies and I'm out 20 grand. Reality, current out of warranty pack replacement $5,000 to $16,000 on most popular models in 2026. The current plus real shop quotes. Not 20K anymore. More important, it almost never happens. Real-world replacement rate outside of crashes or recalls, under 4% even on 10-plus-year-old EVs. Every new EV has an 8-year, 100,000-mile battery warranty, many longer. By 2030, Goldman Sachs and Bloomberg Neff say a 75 kilowatt-hours pack will cost under $6,000, cheaper than a new gas engine. It's like worrying your phone battery will die in 2032. Yeah, it will, but you'll upgrade long before then anyway. Top 10 EV concern number 6, the garage fire fear. Concern, I'm not parking a potential bomb in my garage. Reality, some study found that gas cars catch fire 20 to 80 times more often than EVs. US data, 1,530 gas car fires per 100,000 vehicles versus 25 EV fires. Sweden, highest EV adoption. ICE cars, 29x more likely to burn. Australia data, EV fire risk 0.0012% versus 0.1% for gas. Garage fires, only 16% of all vehicle fires happen while parked. EVs are dramatically safer. The scary videos are the exception, not the rule. Top 10 EV concern number 7, used on second-hand EV gamble. Concern, I don't want someone else's worn-out battery. Reality, get a battery health report, recurrent Tesla app, dealer scan, cost 50 to 150, average degradation 1.8 to 2.3% per year. Most 4-6-year-old EVs still have 90% bus capacity. LFP packs, many new Hyundais, Kias, some Teslas are even better. Used EV market is exploding for a reason. The gamble is actually one of the best deals in cars right now if you check the health. Top 10 EV concern number 8, tech obsolescence. Concern, in 5 years my car won't get updates and will feel ancient. Reality, valid concern. EVs are software on wheels, but safety critical systems have 15-year recall obligations in most countries. Tesla still supports 2012 Model S with major updates. Most brands promise 8-10 years of feature updates. Will you miss the newest AI voice assistant in 2035? Probably. Will the car still drive perfectly and charge? Absolutely. It's like your 2018 iPhone. It still works great, just doesn't get the latest iOS features. Top 10 EV concern number 9, degradation reality. Concern, batteries degrade fast and I'll lose range every year. Reality, real data from 22,700 vehicles, Geotab 2026, 2.3% per year average. Recurrent plus others, closer to 1.8%. After 8 years, still 82% capacity on average. Newer cars plus LFP chemistry are even better. You will lose way more range from winter cold or dirty wheels than from normal degradation. This fear is the most overblown of all. And finally, the last but not least, the top 10 EV concern. Number 10, range anxiety. Concern. Range anxiety. What if my EV runs out of juice in the middle of nowhere and I'm stuck calling a tow truck? This one's been scaring people off EVs for over a decade. Reality. Yes, it was a legit issue in the early days when ranges were 100-150 miles and chargers were rare. But in 2026, it's mostly an outdated mental block for everyday driving, and even long trips are way easier now. Here's the real data. New EV range today, 280, 300 plus miles. WLTP, EPA, real world often close or better, with many popular models hitting 350 to 400 plus miles. Average daily drive, US-UK data, just 37 miles. Most EVs can do a full week of commuting on one charge. Actual stranded incidents, only 1-2% of real EV owners have ever run out of charge meaningfully, and breakdowns from low battery dropped to a record low of 1.85% in recent years, down from 8% plus in 2015. Once people own an EV, range anxiety drops dramatically. Surveys show it falls from low 48% pre-purchase worry to 22% after ownership, and most say it vanishes within the first month as they learn their habits and the car's efficiency. Charging network explosion. Tens of thousands more fast chargers added yearly. Global public points grew massively. Home charging handles 70 to 90% of needs, and apps like PlugShare, Tesla, others show real-time availability. No more guessing. It's like worrying your phone will die on a full-day trip. But now batteries last all day and outlets are everywhere. After a week, you stop checking the percentage obsessively. Takeaway. For 95% plus of daily use, range anxiety is gone. For road trips, plan stops like you plan gas stops, but with faster tech. Some cars at 200-400 km in 5-10 minutes now, and better infrastructure. It's becoming routine. The fear is real until you drive one, then it disappears. Your thoughts? Which of these 10 concerns still worries you? Which one do you think is overstated? Let's have a real discussion. What's next? In upcoming deep dives, we have several important EV topics lined up, including whether ultra-fast charging accelerates degradation, long-term EV resale economics, how next-gen platforms solve today's repair concerns. Each of these is a real and relevant EV discussion point, but which one we tackle next will depend on your comments and feedback. Let us know what you want us to break down next. The EV world moves fast. We'll keep separating fear from fact. This is the EV zone. No hype, no fluff, just what actually matters. So, what do you think of this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below. At EV Zone, we believe open discussions can lead to great discoveries. Here, we consider both sides of the coin and welcome all viewpoints to explore new possibilities. In the search for greener driving options, we encourage our audience to join in and share their ideas. Each of us has unique creative contributions to offer, so if you have something to share, reach out to us and we'll do the video to share it with our audience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of EVs. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply curious about the future of transportation, stay tuned for more exciting content on EV Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to support our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.